Can you sing it for me, please? And then you can see it on the movie. If you sing it first. I thought that was a really good song.
No. Octopus. Friend, I got the raptor.
No, sing. What wasn't it? A tuna fish?
No.
Was it a big whale?
No.
Right.
Type of fish. A tuna fish. A tuna fish. Swimming through the water. The tuna fish. The tuna fish. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no! An octopus. The octopus. Swimming through the water. The octopus. The octopus. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no! The great big whale. The great big whale. Swimming through the water. The great big whale. The great big whale. Gulp, gulp, go. Oh no! The great big whale. The great big whale. Swimming through the water.
Yay!
Sing on the song.
Which one do you want to sing?
I was singing on the song.
Do you want to sing another song?
No.
Or do you want to hear it on the CD?